Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to change your vehicle on the Uber driver app. Let's jump straight in. Open your Uber driver app, tap the menu icon on the top left corner. Look for accounts, vehicles, and you can access your vehicle management options. Tap on add a vehicle to enter all the required details, including your vehicle make, model, year, color, and license plate. Upload a clear, high-quality photo of your vehicle's registration, as well as your insurance documents. Select any vehicle from your list to edit the details or upload updated documents. To remove a vehicle, select it and choose remove. Note that only one vehicle can be removed at a time. Then you need to wait for your verification. So after making changes, you need to wait for Uber's verification notification confirming your vehicle is now approved before you can start driving with the new or updated vehicle information. Here's some additional information. So your vehicle must have 4 doors, meet model year requirements for your city, and have proper insurance with your name listed as a covered driver. If you drive for a fleet company, contact your fleet manager directly to handle vehicle changes and updates rather than just using the app. You can also visit the Uber Help Center for more detailed vehicle management guidance, as well as some troubleshooting tips.